guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I'm going to show you guys everything I got from Claire's Five Below, Bath and Body Works, and Happy Labby. But before we get started, make sure you guys click that subscribe button, turn on notifications to give a humongous thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay. Should we start with Five Below? Okay. So my Nana got some workout books, a care, and this like food book. Yeah. Then she got this eyelash curler, and what I got is I got one thing because I want to have more stuff. I got good morning. Hello. Hello. I got mochis, but they're called these squish yum. Squish yum. Lollipop surprise. Comes with 5. Oh, sorry guys. Comes with 5. Hey. Yes. Okay, so in Claire's I got mostly fidgets. So we got this bracelet. I got this tie-dye Simple Dimple. I've never seen one of these Neato Funky Pop. So I got a Funky Pop. And I got Damari. It's Damari. From Squishmallow. I'm gonna show you what I got from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so I got this Marshmallow Pop Pumpkin Latte Spray Perfume. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. I know, I said it twice technically. Yeah. And then I got this Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Lip Balm. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do an unboxing video with you guys. Yeah. Okay, so I got this horse thing. We're going down into Hobby Lobby now. My face. Okay, nothing major, nothing happened. Got this big horse picture. Okay. Then I got these slime. And then my Nana got one. And then I got this slime. Then I got this slime. Then I got this pack of slime. And then I got these mini poppets. Then I got these headbands. That's all. Then I got this, which is a surprise. I know what it is, but don't think you guys do. It's a surprise. So go watch my other video, and you'll see what it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, I love y'all. Peace.